Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily turn your microphone on or off in OBS Studio. If you've ever been streaming, recording, or just setting up a scene and found yourself wondering how to quickly control your mic input, this tutorial is going to clear everything up for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to mute or unmute your mic in OBS, and have the confidence to adjust your audio whenever you need. Let's dive right in. First things first. Go ahead and open up OBS Studio on your computer. OBS is a super powerful tool for video recording and live streaming, and controlling your audio is really important for creating a professional, crisp experience for your viewers or listeners. If you're new to OBS, don't worry. The layout is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. Once you've got OBS Studio open, take a look at the bottom of the main window. You'll see what's called the audio mixer panel. This panel is basically your home base for controlling all of your different audio sources. If you've ever worked with a physical audio mixer, imagine a soundboard at a concert. The layout here is pretty similar, but virtual. Inside the audio mixer, you're going to notice two main active audio sources by default: desktop and mic aux. The desktop source captures any sounds coming from your computer, like game audio, music, or notifications, while the mic aux refers to your microphone, which records your voice or any external audio you want to share. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the mic aux input. Now, to control whether your microphone is on or off, look for the volume icon next to the mic aux label in the mixer panel. The icon is usually a little speaker symbol. If you click on it, you'll get instant feedback about the mic's current state. This is a really handy feature, especially if you're about to go live and want to double-check that everything's set up just right. Here's how it works. If the icon turns red, that means your microphone is off or muted. OBS is literally stopping your mic from picking up any sound, so your viewers won't hear background noise, chatter, or accidental comments. This is perfect if you need a quiet moment or want to control what's broadcast during a stream. Don't worry if you see it red. It's just letting you know that mic audio is being blocked right now. On the other hand, if the icon is white and shows a little speaker, that means your microphone is on and actively transmitting any sound it picks up. This is exactly what you want if you're ready to talk to your audience, do commentary, or record a segment. It's a good habit to double-check this icon before starting any recording or live stream to make sure you're not accidentally muted. Just a quick tip. Sometimes, especially if you've plugged in a new mic or changed your audio settings, the correct source might not show up, or the icons might behave unexpectedly. If you ever feel stuck, a quick restart or double-checking your audio input settings in OBS can usually straighten things out. And that's all there is to it, dolls. With just a glance and a click, you can instantly control your microphone in OBS Studio, making your streams or recordings that much smoother and more professional. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or if you ran into any issues, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you, and make sure to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.